Marhaba. I want to talk about something we have in the Arabic language, which is grammatical gender. This can also be found in other languages, such as Spanish, French, Hebrew, and more. To give you a general idea, most nouns in Arabic are given a gender based on the last letters used in the word. For example, if you're talking to a female, you say kifek, kifek. EK or IK at the end of the word refers to her, the feminine form. If you're talking to a male, you say kifak, kifak, with AK at the end. AK refers to him. Kifak and kifek means how are you? Simple, right? Let's take another example. If you want to tell a guy that you love him, you say بحبك, بحبك. AK refers to the male. And if you're talking to a girl, you say بحبك, بحبك, referring it to a female. I promise to do more of these videos so you can get the hang of it. Shukran.